Welcome the our channel. Today we how to start a securities filing with EDGAR, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start a securities filing with EDGAR, you need to prepare certain documents beforehand. First, ensure you have a clear understanding of the type of filing required. Identify whether you are submitting a registration statement, annual report, or another document. Next, gather all necessary materials, including financial statements and management discussions. Create an account on the SEC's EDGAR website if you do not already have one. After creating your account, you will need to obtain your central index key, or CIK number. This number is essential for the submission process, as it uniquely identifies your filings. Once you have your CIK, download the EDGAR Filer Manual. This manual contains vital information regarding file formatting and specific requirements. Prepare your document in the required format, typically XBRL or HTML. Be sure to follow the specific guidelines outlined in the EDGAR Filer Manual for formatting. Next, validate your document using the EDGAR filing software provided by the SEC. This step ensures that your filing meets all necessary requirements. After validation, it's time to submit your filing through the EDGAR online system. Log into your EDGAR account and choose the option to submit a filing. Upload your validated document and fill in any additional required information. Before finalizing your submission, double-check that all details are accurate. Once satisfied, submit your filing. It may take some time for the SEC to process your submission. After processing, you will receive a confirmation and the filing will be publicly available on the EDGAR database. Monitor your account for any notifications regarding your submission. If needed, be ready to respond to any comments or requests from the SEC. Congratulations, you have successfully filed your securities documentation with EDGAR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.